In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view history on Smartsheet. If you've ever needed to track changes or see who modified what on your Smartsheet, you're in the right place. Understanding how to access and interpret the history of your projects can be invaluable, especially when you're collaborating with multiple team members. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This area acts as your main dashboard, where all your sheets are organized, making it your starting point for any activity. Once you're there, locate the specific Smartsheet sheet that you need to review. Opening the correct sheet is crucial because this is where we'll access the activity history. Now that you have your sheet open, direct your attention to the right feature bar. Here, you'll find the option labeled Activity Log. Clicking on this will unveil a detailed list of all the actions that have been taken on your sheet. It's like having a breadcrumb trail that shows who made changes, when those changes were made, and even what was changed. This log is incredibly useful for keeping track of modifications and ensuring that your projects stay on track. Sometimes you might find yourself in need of more specific information or wish to streamline your search through the log. This is where Smartsheet's filtering options become invaluable. You can filter the activity log by date range, the type of actions taken, or other criteria. This way, you can narrow down your search and focus on the most relevant changes, particularly if you're looking for something specific. Now let's talk about reviewing the history at the cell level. There are times when you might want to see what happened to a particular cell. To do this, right-click on the specific cell you're interested in. When you do this, a context menu will pop up. From this menu, select View Cell History. It's a powerful feature that allows you to pinpoint changes down to the individual cell. After selecting to view the cell history, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box presents a mini history displaying the changes made to that cell. It provides details about who made the changes, when they were performed, and what the previous values were. This information can be crucial for auditing changes or understanding the evolution of your data. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at how to view and navigate history on Smartsheet, whether you're examining an entire sheet's activity or digging into the details of a single cell. Mastering these tools will undoubtedly enhance your ability to track changes and collaborate more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful.